you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be prepping for our drift event tomorrow. Yes, I had time to prep earlier, but you know, a lot of people, including myself, we like to procrastinate and we like to do things at the very last minute because we feel a lot more accomplished. So today we're gonna be changing out the oil in this car. I don't think I've changed out the oil ever since I've started drifting. So I'm gonna be changing out the oil today. I'm also gonna be double checking the alignment, which I always do before the drift event, the front and the rear. I already know that there's a little bit of toe in on this passenger side here. So I'm gonna be putting the toe out on this side and then remeasuring. As far as the front end goes, I have to double check all the bolts and check the toe again on that. And then play around some tires. I do know that I have a tire in there that I can put on the MB Battles for an extra drift spare. So I'm probably gonna be doing that today. So that's the agenda for today, so let's get on with it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off by taking off this busted old pop tire so that way I can go and take one of the tires from there and throw them on this, so that way I'll have some more drift spares. And a lot of people have been commenting about one of my older videos when I had slippers on, so I got shoes on. So stop hating on the boy, man. I'm from Hawaii. We wear slippers, okay? Did you die? Now, I know I have one tire, and I believe it's that tire right there. So I have to move all this barrel. All these are the Alright, so now we got that out of the way. Now we're gonna go ahead and change the oil and then fix the alignment and then load up the truck and we should be good. Come over there. Just over there. I like to wipe my area clean so that way I can tell like if the oil is leaking or not. That angle though, man, you don't even know. That's a lot of angle. Look at that. So I forgot that we didn't bolt the lip on to the car, so I'm going to actually bolt it on or just self tap it on. So alright guys, so the last thing that we have to do is to actually just check the alignment on the rear. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, so the back is 85 1/4. And the front is 85 1/4. Oh, we got it spot on. Alright guys, so I adjusted the toe a little bit before I measured it, and like I said in the beginning, the passenger side was towed in, so I added a little bit of toe out to this side, and now both the front and the rear measure up to 85 1/4. So that means that the rear end is straight, Alright guys, so we just finished up the alignment as you guys seen. So now we're gonna go ahead and load up the truck. It's really not that interesting. What I bring in my tool bag is just a whole bunch of open ends, some Allen wrenches. I got some crescent wrenches, screwdrivers, sockets, wrenches or ratchets. Carry a blade in here. I gotta cut zip ties. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing real special in here. Just like your basic tools that you might need on the road. I got them in there. I also bring this box of fluids. I think it's already in the truck, but it has just like brake fluid, power steering fluid, or same thing, brake fluid. It has a little bit extra oil. I do bring extra coolant with me. What else do I bring? I bring pretty much anything that you would need to get your car back up and running decently to get home, because like I said, the drift event is like 2 hours away, so I want to be prepared for anything that I need. My brother right here coming in from Hawaii. But anyway, yeah, we're going to the drift event tomorrow, so that's going to be interesting. And we haven't drifted since September, so that's also going to be interesting.
So before the video ends, I just wanted to come on here and choose a winner for the sticker. So I'm using this comment picker app. So the winner is John Santos.
John Santos?
So you can either email us or DM us. All our handles will be down below. And for everybody else, thank you so much for the comments on the last video. If you want to win some stickers, all you have to do is comment on this video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and we will announce the winner in the next video. But that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.